Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Buick Lacrosse. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press the menu button on the steering wheel. Scroll to Vehicle Information, select Oil Life, and choose Reset. Confirm the reset when prompted, and watch the display show 100%. If the option is grayed out, cycle the ignition and try again while keeping the car in park. Begin with the ignition on and be ready at the steering wheel. Use the scroll buttons to reach Vehicle Information and highlight Oil Life. Press and hold the Set or Reset control until the screen prompts for confirmation. Confirm the reset and wait for the display to show 100%. If the reset fails, turn ignition OFF, wait a minute, and repeat the same steps calmly to ensure the system registers the change. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep. They keep sauces sealed and save cleanup time after a quick garage snack. They pair surprisingly well with on-the-go maintenance days, so you stay fueled while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the menu behaves differently across trims or after a battery disconnect. If oil life won't reset, switch the ignition OFF, wait 30 seconds, and retry the full sequence. Verify you are in park and not attempting this while the engine runs. Consult the owner manual for layout differences, and if the warning light stays on after a proper reset, seek professional help to check sensors or software issues to avoid missed maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.